In this video, I'm going to show you how you can pin multiple locations on Google Maps. So let's jump into it. So first you need to open Google Maps. To do that, just search on Google for Google Maps or go to maps.google.com. Now, once you've logged into your account and you're on Google Maps, you want to head over to the left here to this sidebar and then click on Saved. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on Maps. And once you've clicked on Maps, you then want to go to the bottom here where it says Create Map. So go ahead and click on that and it will open up Google Maps in a new window. Click Create and now you'll see a new map. Now what you can do, you can go ahead and search for a location. So I'm just going to search for Bangkok and we're going to pin multiple locations in Bangkok. So Bangkok, Thailand. Now what we can do is we can pin multiple locations in Bangkok. Okay, so now I'm just going to zoom in and we're just going to pin some locations. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pin this market, and to pin it, all you do is you click on it. You then click Add to Map, and it's then going to add that location here to your maps. You can do this for all of these different locations. So let's pin here Central World, Add to Map, and we will also pin here, just for the sake of the video, Terminal 21. So now we've got 3 different locations pinned to Google Maps. So now you can go ahead and share this map. So you can give it a title. So I'll just title this Bangkok, and you can add a description if you want. I'm going to click OK. And now we can get a link to this map. So if we check this, anyone with the link can view it, and you can go ahead and share this, or you can just use it for your own personal viewing. If someone goes to that link, you'll see all of your different locations here. And if you go ahead and click on preview, you'll be able to then preview that map, and you can see all of your locations and click on them and go to them individually. So that's how you can pin all different locations in Google Maps. I hope that did help you out.